Hi guys, once again welcome to my channel. Today talk about the NTA 2020, their paper 1, very important this type of question model. I explained there are 100 most important type of question on this video. And first there is the following step of research correct sequence. That the following what is the ratio, what is the research in correct sequence. These are very interesting. There are the option identification of research problem is this first, and there are the identification of research. This is the first sequence, and number one is the identification of research problem, and next there are next one, then two, two first identification of research problem, and then listening of the research objectives. There are the next number four methodology, and three their collection of data and data analysis, and next there are number six resultant discussion. So there are option is C. There are the C is the correct answer. 2 1 4 3 5 4. This is the correct sequence of this answer. This type question every time. Sometime there are NTA NET, and when was UGC NET. There are this type question many times. There are arrange following step of research in the correct sequence. And next their question, the mind map is a technique of there are problem solving methods. Next question, there are who is one of for the following performance is written according to the American Psychological Association APA format. Very important type of question, APA format. There are the correct answer is A. There are sequence is the sometime there are the commas plus stop, and this is the name and surname dot, then year bracket and dot. There are social support and health, then dot New York, and then dot academic press. But here some option there have bracket, but there are same type, but not properly follow. This is the comma, and this is the plus stop. These are the change. There are the plus stop and there are the comma, so their option is A is correct. And next their question match the list 1 and list 2. There are the selected from correct answer from the quote given below, and there are the first option. There are Pavlov. Pavlov is basically classical conditioning, and Pavlov is basically classical conditioning, and Skinner basically operant conditioning, and Kolhar means their insight. So the definitely answer is B is the correct answer. There are 4 2 1 3 4 2, then 1 and 3. So next there are very interesting type of question. If all the factor being equal, which of the following correlation coefficient is the strongest? Very interesting. There are minus 0.88 is the correlation is the strongest. These are correct answer D. And the next question, choose the correct option from the followings. There are the ex post facto research and direct control of independent variable and experimental research, no direct control of independent variables. There are very interesting. There are the ex post factor, no direct control of independent variables, and experimental research, direct control of independent variables. This is the correct answer is B. And there are ex post factor research, no direct control of independent variables, and experimental research, direct control of independent variables. And there is the next question. According to Right to Education Act 2009, the ratio between teacher and student, and there are very common question. The ratio between teacher and student according to Education Act 2009, class 1 to 5 should be there are 1 is to 30. The next question: who is one of the following option is wrong? Wrong. A scientist research, a scientific research, a scientific research basically there are the empirical and controlled and systematic, but intuitive. This is the wrong. Actually, our question is who is one of following option is wrong. A scientific research is wrong. These are wrong. Basically, option B, intuitive, initiative. And there are the next question: the most appropriate meaning of learning, as there are the definitely their option B is the correct answer. Their modification of behavior, most appropriate meaning of learning basically there are the not for personal adjustment, not for enhancement knowledge and acquisition of skill. So there definitely option is B is the correct answer on this question. And next question, that by which of the following method the true evaluation of students is possible? Evaluation at the end of the course, and evaluation twice in a year, and continuous and comprehensive evaluation. This is the correct answer: continuous and comprehensive evaluation. And the next question, there in Harvard lesson plan, number of steps, very important. Harvard lesson plan, number of steps. This is the 5 is the correct answer. Next question, the ethic is research is not related to. Research is not related to. So there are the human behavior, there are related, scientific method related. So definitely there are the self-interest, these are not related. So this answer is B. Correct answer is B. University means very common and very interesting question. The university stand under the state act, university established under a state act, and university established under a central act or provisional act on this contest. So there are the D is the right answer of this contest. The D is the right answer. Next question, there are next question, the national D is the right answer. The university established under Central Act or Provisional Act, State Act, and recognized by the University Grant Commission. And next question, there are 20. There are 20 number of question. That number 20 number of question. National Knowledge Commission was constituted in 2003, 2004, 5, 6. Definitely, the answer is 2005. And the next question, the chairman of the first University of Education Commission set up by the government of India was the definitely Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. And next question, there are the 5 girls in took part in race, and Rajani finished before Preeti, but she was behind the Gita, and while the Aruna finished before Chandra, but she was behind Preeti, who won the race. Very interesting. The first wheel drawing. There are the girl, 2 parts of the race. Rajani finished before the Priti, but she was behind the Gita, while Aruna finished before Chandra, but she was behind Priti. So definitely their answer is Gita. Gita is the right answer, and option B. And so next question, their communication skill, communication knowledge in classroom is considered as there are the option is cultural capital, the right answer. And next, there find the next number of the following series. They have of series their question 1, 3, 7 and 30. So definitely there are 21 their correct answer. And next there are question, the internet is example of an internet, and there definitely their answer is packet switch network, and this is the first option. A is the right answer. Next, the most economic method for distillation in water as is there are the electrodialysis. This is the correct answer, electrodialysis. And next question, the selection of source of information and taking decision about two types, about the types of data, the primary and secondary to be collect based on there are the object of the research work, right? There are the expect result of the survey, right? The budget of the work, research budget allotted for the research work, right? So the definitely answer is all the above, D. And next there are question, tabulation of collected data is essential because tabulation, why there are very essential, basically tabulation on the data can be present in originate in the certain way on the basis of objectives, not only for basic objectives. Elaborate information should be presented in the summarized and easily understandable. This is not for only present in the summarized. And comprehensive study is the possible directly and after tabulation data, and on the basis above all points on the main table can be maintained. So that definitely are all point are base of point, then are can maintain there are so their answer is option D. Must will read carefully. Actually, their question option is the related. Sometimes there are yes and sometimes there are no. So that definitely must will read and carefully read and then their option choose. And next question, their National Assessment and Accreditation Council, and start from their NAC, you know. There are the an announcement institutions, you know. There are the announcement institution for university grant commission is the right answer, option B. Next question, there are the diagrammatic representation of data, give method of the representation of data as there are definitely are attractive and effective means the presentation of the data at a glance, right? To facilities comparison between the different type of data collected. It gives a general idea about the nature of data. So the above of the application is the right answer, option D. And next question, the most safest method for the disposal of biomedical waste. Very interesting, biomedical waste basically incineration. There are correct answer is C. Next, there who is of the following is not a version of Android mobile operating system. Android mobile operating system. These are the Dairy Milk. And next, their question is are the logical, and the Rohini is married to Vishal and Akash is her brother. So there are Nayan is Vishal's son and Anuradha is his maternal grandmother. How is Akash related to Anuradha? This type of question must will draw a line and then automatically their answer clearly so their here is answer is option D, and their relation is son. And next question, there DVD, which is very important common term. DVD stand for there are the digital video disc. Sometimes they are student choice the digital visual disc, but these are wrong. Digital video disc. Next question, in communication the language is basically verbal code. Must you will remember this type of question in this NTNA 2020 must will come. And communication the language is verbal code. And next question, what is the context in communication? Communication context basically a physical and psychological environment and conservation. Option C is the right answer. And next question, they are information communication network within the organization known as basically who is the organization? These are the Graph-Veen communication. This is the right answer, option D. And next question, in atmospheric ozone is found in this region. Atmospheric ozone is found, you know, there are the stratosphere. Next question, they are selected, there are retains, and in communication implies basically retain only what one would like to. And next question, who is of the following pair? So the same relationship as that of Tom and leader. Basically, leader is the group and captain. This is the right answer, option C. And next question, value education can be imparted to students by the focusing which of the following? Basically, D, individual, classroom, college, and school community value. Option D is the right answer. Next question, there are statement 1 and statements 2. Work are more committed and to the organization, and then the manager, the statement 1 and 2, some managers are good decision makers. If both these are statement are fact, then when which of the inclusion the follow, there are conclusion 1 and conclusion 2. Worker are more loyal to organization then the manager are, and there are the conclusion 2, some good decision maker are managers. So they are definitely their answer is C. There are both conclusion A and B follow. And next there are the sequence question, the reasoning, there are pointing and photography of photography. Raju says, it was a photograph of my mother, brother's only sister. The person in the photograph related is the Raju. So definitely there are the related mother. Next question, which of the following is collected protocol in the URL? There are http edulem.com. This is the, what is the following is called protocol URL. Protocol URL basically there are http. Option is correct, option B. And next question, the science of communication control system is society is called. There are the definitely this is the answer is cybernetics. And next question, there are average solar radiation energy. Average solar radiation energy available in the India in a year about there are the 20 joule per day square per day. This is the right answer. Next question, the only statistical average that is the use statistical analysis of qualitative data. So there are definitely answer is the median, option C. And next question, there are if football is reasoning type of question, the behavior can cricket ball and it is the lighter then the basket, and it have ball there are heavier and then basketball and they are lighter than cricket ball, then which of the following statement is false? Is false basically must will read carefully. Here question is statement is false, so there are definitely the tennis ball is heavier than the cricket ball. This is the right answer, option B. And next question, the statement 1 and statement 2, girls are more stupidious than boys. There are statement 2, girls are more emotional than boys. If both these are statement fact, that who is on the conclusion of the follow conclusion, the boys are better than manage their girl and girls secure better than boys in the examination. So there are definitely only conclusion B follow, only conclusion 2, girls secure better than boys in this examination. And next question, there are question number 51. The data collected on the basic time, the area field, which have two more related information can be represented by. There are options simple bar diagram, comparison. These are the answer is correct answer is the multi bar diagram, option D. And next question, Twitter, a micro blogging is used with in the boundary of. Very interesting question. There are option is 140 character. Option is A, 140 character. Which of the later series will complete the following series? Very interesting type of question. 98 every time there question. FGH and IJH and OPN and RSQ. This type question must you will remembering there are the position EFGH, EFGH, IJK, LMNOH, MNO, PQ, RST, So there definitely their option is A. LMK are continuously. Here sequence option is A is the right answer. And to test the significance qualitative data, we obtain there are the calculation of association of attributes. This is the first answer is the correct answer to state significance of qualitative data. And the next question, low level pesticides can be estimated successfully by, there are the GC is the correct answer. Next, there errors in computer programming are referred as, there are the bugs. And next question, the teaching is best described is a, their profession teaching is best described as profession. And next there are the chief objective of the teaching is, definitely there are stimulate and curiosity of student to discover knowledge. This is the right answer. And next question, a good learner is one who, there are the listener, basically good learner is one who uh, has a questioning frame of mind. This is the right answer. And next question, identify any three factor which control to effect of teaching. There are the option is art, communication, subject mastery. This is the right answer is C. There are the 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and there 4 is the right. And programmed instruction is based on the principle of learning, which is known as the software learning, motivation, reinforcement and the systematic programming. Definitely there are answer is reinforcement. And next this sentence completion, the test objective type of test which measured, there are the reciprocal ability, answer is reciprocal ability. And three of the following four attributes character research identify one of who is not the attribute research, who is not there are definitely must will read again and again. Their question is who is not an attribute research. So definitely their answer is finding of research can be generalized for a all context. And the next question, there are the match experimental, descriptive and the historical and longitudinal. Definitely there are option is B, there are correct sequence. B, there are descriptives, or the right answer is R, and the stratified sampling. And there are the C, historical basically internal methods criteria. This is the historical. And there are the D, logical, longitudinal basically there are the continuity of method observation time. So definitely the answer is B is the correct answer. And there are uh, reorganize the following the appropriate sequence, analyze in the interpretation data, presentation research report, identification and selection, problem, formulation of research design. So the definitely their answer is there are the D are the 3, 4, 5, 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5, 1 and 2. Okay, 3, 3, 4, 5 and 1 and 2. This is the correct sequence. And the next question, on the following behavior does not confirm the research ethic, identify the behavior. There the correct answer, the arriving and the generalization which the researcher feel and the truth even through does not support it. So then I explain there are some uh, uh, questions should definitely today are very interesting for the question. One of the following behavior does not confirm the research ethics, identify the behavior. Basically they are arriving in the generalization which the researcher feels as truth even truth do not support it. This is the correct answer. So there are the next question. One of the following formula will be directly relevant for administration action, and there are the definitely there are workshop. Basically, there are action piece of administrative action, and not for seminar, conference, and symposium. There are workshop. And next, there are quality of good thesis is judged by three of the following four qualities. So there definitely there are the quality one there are the correlation cross object findings, and their constancy between data analysis, interpretation, and comprehensive review of literature. This is the correct answer. And next there are the course question, effective classroom communication, very important question. Effective classroom communication, a teacher depend upon the three for the following qualities. They are definitely this question, their answer is um, 1, 2, and 3. There are 1 content mastery, and 2 clarity in the language teaching, and 3 their consistency in the presentation. So definitely their answer option is A is the right answer. And next question, there are the last question of this video, and there are the following 4 attributes of the teacher will become a barrier in effective communication. Identify them. There are the punctuation of the teacher, and caste status of the teacher, facial expression of the teacher, and choose of words. So definitely their answer is 3 is the right forms. There are first of all facial expression of the teacher, and number 4 the choice of words, and number 1 the punctuation of the teacher. So their option is C is the correct answer. So thank you, must will watch and subscribe my channel. I next video there are the same type paper 1 for model question, must you follow and watching my channel. Thank you.